Introducing the Dolas Defender 250, a groundbreaking three-wheeled e-bike that defies traditional appearance norms. Unveiled with much anticipation, this innovative electric vehicle boasts a distinctive arrangement of three wheels in a row, setting it apart from conventional trucks. The Dolas Defender 250 combines a unique aesthetic with impressive features, positioning itself as an ideal choice for urban commuting and cargo transportation. The most striking feature of the Defender 250 is its three-wheel configuration, with each wheel equipped with a robust 250 watts hub electric motor. This unconventional appearance results in a formidable combined power output of 750 watts, surpassing the typical limit seen in many e-bikes, and even exceeding the permissible output in Europe. The powertrain is complemented by a substantial 48 volts 53 ampere-hour battery pack, with a capacity of 2,544 watts-hour, providing an impressive range of 180 kilometers on a full charge. All specific technical details, such as the dashboard and app integration, are yet to be fully disclosed by the company. The Dolas Defender 250 promises to deliver a seamless and connected riding experience, enhancing user interaction and control. Developed not only for solo riders but also for shared journeys, the Defender 250 can accommodate two riders comfortably. The passenger enjoys an independent set of handlebars and a saddle, ensuring a collaborative and enjoyable riding experience. The e-bike's versatility extends to its cargo capabilities, with a load capacity of up to 250 kilograms. A practical cargo rack positioned behind the rear seat allows users to transport a variety of items, from groceries to small luggage. Navigating corners may present a challenge initially due to its unique three-wheel setup, but riders quickly adapt to the bike's handling characteristics. The Defender 250 truly shines when conquering uphill terrain, thanks to its substantial power delivery, which remains consistent even with a full cargo load. The Dolas Defender 250, with its groundbreaking appearance and impressive features, is set to make its mark on the European market. Price of €4,650 or approximately $5,100. This three-wheeled e-bike offers a compelling option for those seeking a unique and powerful electric vehicle, for both city commuting and cargo transport. As the anticipation builds for its release, the Dolas Defender 250 is poised to captivate European riders, with its distinctive appearance and robust performance. The price point positions it competitively in the market, offering a blend of innovation and affordability. The Dolas Defender 250 emerges as a promising addition to the electric mobility landscape, offering a harmonious blend of unconventional appearance, powerful performance, and practical functionality. As the world embraces sustainable and innovative transportation solutions, the Dolas Defender 250 stands out as a compelling choice for those seeking an e-bike that pushes the boundaries of traditional appearance while excelling in practical applications. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Have a nice day and God bless you.